Today, it is all about summer refreshing drinks using syrup or puree. This is a fruit-based puree. 2 delicious drinks using green tea as base. We are going to use yuzu, and I'm going to pair it with mint, and also strawberry mint fruit tea. The base will be green tea. Now you can use any green tea of choice. This time I am using genmaicha with that roasted rice. Smells so good. I use the cold brew method to make this, and the proportion that I use is 15 grams of genmaicha tea to 1 liter of cold water, and steeped it overnight in the refrigerator. So it's cold brew, making it more refreshing. If you don't have time to cold brew, you can also use hot brew, but this is a different level altogether. I will need a shaker. Now with fruit tea, I really like them to be shaken. It just gives that beautiful foamy top after you shake it. And I'm also going to use my sugar syrup so as not to use a lot of the puree. Also, I'm going to use mint, and I'm going to use lime to decorate my drinks. And I'm also going to add a surprise to this drink. This is now my cold brew. It is looking gorgeous here. What I'm going to do is to strain it into my measuring cup here. It is cold, and definitely it's going to be very refreshing. There you go. I'm going to use this for later. Time to assemble our first drink, which is yuzu mint fruit tea. My base green tea. I'm going to add yuzu flavor. It's quite concentrated, so 20 ml there. And then just to make it the right sweetness level, which you can always adjust, I'm going to add my sugar syrup here. And because I'd like this to have a little bit of minty taste, I'm going to add some mint leaves into the blend. Now we're going to give it a good shake. So make sure you put all of them there. You have some bits from the yuzu here. I really love this brand for yuzu. And just to make sure that it is presentable, we are going to fill it to the top with ice. Some mint on top. And just a slice of lemon here. For this one, this is the surprise ingredient. I am going to put some jelly on top. So this is just to make it more exciting. Now this look like the Pyoka pearls, but they're not. They're jellies. Okay? And there you have your yuzu mint fruit tea. Next drink, it is strawberry mint fruit tea. For this, I'm going to use the same base, which is my green tea. I'm using only half a cup of green tea here. You can add water to bring it up to about 6 ounces, or you can fill it with ice just like this one. So you have 2 options there. Now because my green tea is quite concentrated, I'm only using half a cup. And then I'm going to use my flavored strawberry here. Give it a bit of a shake before you use, because this is a puree. And then I'll use the same proportion, which is 20 ml of my puree into my shaker. Then to cut costs and not to make it too much of strawberry, I'm going to add my sugar syrup. And then again, because I'd like this to have a little bit of mint taste, I'm going to add my mint leaves, fresh mint leaves. So you might be using syrup for your flavor, but you can use fresh mint. But if you don't have fresh mint, you can also add a touch of your mint syrup, just about 1 teaspoon or about 10 ml of mint syrup, because this is a large cup. And then we are going to shake. And for this one, the surprise ingredient is some red jelly. This will just make it look more exciting. I wouldn't recommend boba pearls with fruit tea, although some actually do. Boba pearls are made of tapioca. If you put it in a fruit tea, it might change the texture of your tea. So putting jelly is the perfect balance to that. Absolutely optional, but nice to have. So give your customers a pleasant surprise when they drink your fruit tea. Moment of truth. Let's start with the first one, strawberry mint. It is a little bit sweet, so you might wish to go easy on the sugar syrup, but that fresh mint gives this drink a little bit of naturalness or more naturalness into it, and I must say that this flavor is quite good. Well, if you're going to introduce fruit tea in your shop using green tea as base, try and find as natural a puree you can find, okay? So that is good. And now it's time to try my yuzu mint. It is perfect, it looks perfect, and that addition of the jelly on top just adds a little bit more mystery to this drink, okay? So yuzu using puree and fresh mint leaves. Wow. Ooh, I love this one, really. It's also very sweet, so you can reduce the sugar syrup. In my book, I have indicated to put green tea and then add a little bit of water. In this case, I didn't add the water because I filled it to the top with ice. So it also serves as the water. And not only that, it makes the drink really, really cold and refreshing when your customers take this drink. Absolutely delicious drinks. If you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know. Also, don't forget to check out my book, All Things Milk Tea, for more fruit tea recipes. In the book, you will find recipes for 12, 16, and 22 ounces. That's all I would like to share with you today. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. In the meantime, click that subscribe button. Take care, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.